Okay.
Yeah, it's your phone, Lucy.
It's the battery's not working.
Let's see the video.
Lisa, I can't believe you actually peed on your phone. Ow, what's it doing to my hand? Lisa, I can't believe you did that.
Right, it's not filming me.
Well, you're the one that peed on your mobile.
No, just film it right now. I just kind of phone ringing me.
You're not getting it? You're not getting it?
Well, right now, you're paying for my ticket on the train.
Oh, yeah, it's already, and I'm not paying for your mobile to be repaired. Thing is, you broke it.
So I'm going to get it out again. Let me film myself. Hello. Hello. What?
Taking a break. You already brought.
Is it going into the room?
Look at the state she's in.
What is piss on my phone?
Lucy, you're not.
Yeah, the ticket.
I might look.